Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering and positioning the Sena SRL units so they can see each other. This reduces pairing errors. Once powered, press and hold the mesh button to enter pairing mode on each unit. You do this one at a time to avoid conflicts. Make sure firmware is current because mesh stability depends on it. If a unit shows a blinking LED pattern, that indicates ready state. Proceed immediately to the next device so the network forms cleanly and quickly. You now build the mesh. Choose one primary unit to create the network, then add each node one after another so the system assigns roles and routes. As you add devices, watch the LED behavior and the Sena app for confirmation. This confirms route tables are updated. If a device shows low signal, move it closer or change its angle and rejoin, because mesh routing relies on strong neighbor links. Once all nodes report connected, test voice and audio channels to verify routing. You finish by verifying audio paths and doing a quick range test while writing or simulating movement. This confirms handoff performance. If a node drops or shows poor audio, power cycle it first and re-add it to the mesh, because transient state issues are common and often fixed that way. If problems persist, open the Sena app diagnostics to inspect link quality and move the problematic node closer to a stronger neighbor. That usually resolves routing degradation and restores stable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.